built this almost 16-foot Pondless Waterfall back here because it had just the perfect slope, natural setting for it.
When we bought this house, it was built in 1970. It was just a little preformed pond with rocks stacked up around the edge, and it just looked horrible. And it hadn't been maintained in years by the time we bought the house. We said, this is where we look out. This is what needs to be beautiful. I'm tired of that eyesore.
We built this with their grandkids in mind to have somewhere to play without having to go find water. We brought the water to them, so you can tell we got their dinosaurs and sharks and boats. They float out here all the time.
We love it. You know, in the winter, we sit here and we look out this window all the time.